Hi guys, and happy Monday, and yeah, I will have my breakfast first. If you want this recipe, you can click the I button sa taas. And yeah, kain tayo. Yun lang. Morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Ayan, pancake all the way. Kasi na-perfect ko na siya. Ayan. So kung gusto nyo itong recipe nito, lalagay ko yung yung card sa I button doon. Makita nyo kung paano ko ginawa ito. Sobrang fluffy nito guys. Super fluffy. Okay, ito yung aking breakfast, egg, and binili ko to sa Pure Gold, itong Clara Olay pancake. So, wala lang. Oops, hindi pa bukas. Ano ba yan? So, nagyan natin yung pancake. Maglulubat na ako. Ooh, sarap. Yummers. Kain tayo guys. Ang daming syrup. Yum, yum. Kain. Makikita niyo. Sobrang ganda ng niya, ng height ng pancake. So, while eating, I'm reading my Bible. This is my lifesaver, and I'm reading Rick Warren Pastor, and I have my planner. So yun akong, that's how I start my day. So guys, talagang yan yung recipe na to. Sobrang ma-happy kayo. Yummy daw. Approve! Ayan, no? He's eating the hot cake. Iniwala niya orange siguro mamaya niya kakainin. Go!